So table stakes is just all things security, right? SOC 2, ISO, like I'm talking about how all of the data should be connected because the outcome makes the talent leader the most strategic they've ever been able to be. Also with data, you need to be thinking about what is going to make the individual comfortable using this. Do they understand where the data is going and who has access to it and how confidential it is? Our philosophy is relationships are everything for your growth. They are critical. You cannot remove relationships from your growth. And so we have the ability to share a lot of data with your peers, with your organization, but we also have the ability for you to choose not to do that. You should be able to have the most data you've ever been able to dream of to prove that behavior change is happening and that the impact of your work is game changing to your organization's ability to compete in the market. There's different ways that learning and talent leaders are looking at AI coaching. So I actually can't think of a single AI coach that doesn't have role play available. And so then you'd want to look at what is it within the role play that matters to you? It is about actually being able to role play with understanding what the other side or what the other people are most likely to think and need from you and need from your communication, along with, best practice frameworks of how to give feedback. And you can customize it to you train an SBI, and that's important to your organization, right? Like you can customize it to your organization's language. Also beyond that is the philosophy of talk to an AI coach. Every AI coach has the ability for you to just chat with it, whether it's written, whether it's verbal conversation. And with that, of course, you want to make sure that it's backed by the best coaching practices, IO psychology. That, again, that's just table stakes. And then from there, you want to look at usage. Are people actually using this? If it's really helpful, people will return to it and use it. If you want it to be truly helpful to people, it can't be on the sidelines behind another login waiting for somebody to come to it. It has to be in the flow of work and not just, hey, when you think about it, you can go into your Microsoft Teams and ask a question, but it has to be prompting you. The last thing I'll say, what is the data behind the AI coach? How much is it based on just what the individual experiences and what the individual tells them? Because then it is not able to coach on the full scenario. And how much is it actually able to connect into the other data points? We partner with the leading assessments, DISC, Enneagram, Insights Discovery, CliftonStrengths Finder. Those are our partners. But then, of course, the more an organization can open up their data, the more informed their AI coach can be, and the more behavior change, game change that can happen inside the organization.